Good morning, children. How are you? Hope everybody is fine. And we are starting with a new chapter. We have done determiners in our last class, and we were doing the exercise and all. Hope everybody has done it and rechecked it. I have sent you all. I have already sent you the answers, so I hope everybody has checked it. And please, again and again, I'm telling you, please use pencil in the textbook. Understood? So when you're doing any exercise in the textbook, you have to use pencil. Alright, so today we're going to start with a new chapter that is adjectives. You all know what are adjectives. We have been doing it in many classes we have done, and last year's class I was the one who taught you, so you people I know, we have done it. I had started with parts of speech. Remember how many parts of speech are there? Many children have got they had got a position also. So how many parts of speech? Yes, there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjections. Yes? So, what are adjectives? Remember? I hope you do remember, because this should be back of your hand. I told you before also, 8 parts of speech you should know by heart. If anybody asks how many parts of speech, you should know there are 8 parts of speech, and which are the parts of speeches, you should know the parts of speech. You should know. Understood? So, you know what is noun, you know what is pronoun. So, I cannot keep on explaining all that again and again. So, I'll start with adjective only. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. The words which describe noun or pronoun is called describing verb. Like brave boy, beautiful girl. Yes? So, when you are using that the words which are describing the noun, it is called adjective. And adjective will be always with the noun. Brave boy. Okay? Mostly it is near the nouns. Alright? Noun or pronoun. Now for example, I've already given you the example. Tall boy, brave girl, tall building, brave boy, beautiful girl. So all these are adjectives. Alright? Now coming to kinds of adjectives. Alright, there are 8 kinds of adjectives. Alright, I'll be doing 4 in one class, then I'll do it 4 because we have done this already. It is not a new chapter as such. You have done it in 7th also. Alright, maybe 1 or 2 maybe might be new for you. Otherwise, parts of the types of adjectives we have already done it. Alright, so we will just I'll just speed up. Okay. So the first kind of adjective is, yes, what is the first kind? So first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. How it is, how the person is. It shows quality. आपकी अच्छाइयाँ या बुराइयाँ. Alright. So it will tell you this adjective of quality shows how or what kind of person or thing it is. Alright. Understood? Like again, the same example. The kind man respects all. So what kind of man? Kind. So kind is adjective of quality. Quality पता चल रही है उसकी. Alright. Or blue birds are flying in the sky. What kind of birds? Blue. So blue is adjective of quality. Understood? The emotional song impressed me. किस type का song? Emotional. So that is quality. What kind? So what is adjective of quality shows how that person is or what kind of noun it is. Understood everybody? It's quite easy. Second, of course, adjective of quantity. Quantity क्या होता है? What is quantity? Quantity is basically you cannot count. It shows how much. Uncountable nouns come in that. Yes? So, if I say the words like much, some, many, few. These are all, they come under quantity. Understood? Little, less. We have done this. Give me less sugar. I need some sugar. So some is adjective of quantity. And or if I say there are many children in the class. So where is the adjective of quantity? It is many. Understood? All these you have done. I need little water. So little is again adjective of quantity. Is that clear? Now next, adjective of number. Here, of course, the word number. So it shows it is countable noun. Yes, where you can count. Okay. So if I say in count here, see here many also is coming under this thing, because we have I have 10 rupees. So 10. All men. So that shows number. Right? All of them. Alright. Did you understand? So that is also adjective of number. So where you have particular, where you can count, or you have particular number, that is called adjective of number. Okay. Next is integrative adjectives. Now again, word integrative, you people know it. How many times we have done? Integrative means to ask question when you're asking a question. So, well, what kind of words come under this? WH words, or even the word how. Understood? So, which color is your room? So here, which? Yes? Or which country do you belong to? So again, which country? So again, it is a noun. So which is the interrogative adjective. Or what? If I say what color is your hair, or what color is your dress? So again, what over here is adjective of, it's interrogative adjective. Or whose car is this? So whose, kiski hai? Understand? So all these are basically where they are asking questions, and they are, with that they are describing the noun. It is coming in front of the noun. It is called interrogative adjectives. Alright. So we have done four kinds of adjectives in this class. In my next class, I'll be doing the other four, but I'll just mention it, which are they. The fifth one is demonstrative adjectives. You know the word demonstrative. Which words come in that? The four words I told you. Yes. And it shows whose it is. And then where it is basically to show. So you know that. I'll be explaining in my next class. Next is possessive adjective. So you know possessive means shows belonging. So this also we have already done. So I'll just give a brief explanation in my next class. After that we have distributive adjectives. You have done distributive determiners, right? So something like that, similar to that, we have distributive adjectives. Just that it will be describing the noun or a pronoun. Understood? And then last we have emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing, I told you, we have done this also before, but I'll be explaining it to you in my next class. So these four we'll be doing in our next class. So I hope you understood till here. Adjectives are quite easy chapter. We have already done it many times. Alright. So these are the first four kinds of adjectives. Quality, how it is, what kind it is. Alright. So that is quality. Quantity, how much, which shows it is uncountable noun. Number, you can count how many there are. That is okay. And interrogative, they will ask with the adjective which ask questions. Okay. So with this we complete today's lesson. Today's class is over, and the we'll do continuation in our next class. Alright? So with this, today's English class is over. Thank you very much.